Recent reports from the information reveal that OpenAI's AI agents, once expected to revolutionize industries, are delayed due to a mix of safety concerns and technical challenges. The question is, can OpenAI overcome these hurdles before competitors catch up? The answer is multifaceted, encompassing technical hurdles, safety concerns, strategic considerations, and the broader challenges of deploying AI in a rapidly evolving regulatory landscape. While the potential of autonomous AI agents is immense, the path to creating systems that are both capable and reliable is fraught with obstacles. OpenAI's cautious approach reflects the complexity of the task at hand and the high stakes involved in bringing such technology to the world. The technical challenges. 1. Autonomy is harder than it looks. Creating general-purpose AI agents is a far more daunting task than developing narrow AI systems like ChatGPT. While ChatGPT excels at generating text based on patterns in data, autonomous agents must operate in dynamic, unpredictable environments. They must perceive their surroundings, make decisions in real time, and adapt to unforeseen challenges, all without human oversight. Consider, for example, an AI-powered delivery robot navigating a bustling urban environment. It must avoid pedestrians, interpret traffic signals, and reroute itself in response to unexpected obstacles like construction zones or accidents. These tasks require not only advanced perception and decision-making capabilities, but also the ability to learn and adapt on the fly. Achieving this level of autonomy demands breakthroughs in machine learning, robotics, and real-time processing, challenges that remain unresolved. 2. Safety and ethical concerns. Safety is perhaps the most significant barrier to the deployment of autonomous AI agents. Unsupervised AI systems, if not rigorously tested and controlled, could make harmful or unpredictable decisions, particularly in high-stakes environments like healthcare, finance, or transportation. For instance, an AI agent tasked with diagnosing medical conditions could misinterpret data or fail to account for rare but critical symptoms, potentially leading to incorrect diagnoses and patient harm. Similarly, an AI trading system operating without adequate safeguards could trigger a market crash if it makes flawed decisions based on incomplete or biased data. These risks highlight the importance of ensuring that AI agents are not only capable, but also safe and ethical. OpenAI has long emphasized the importance of aligning AI systems with human values, and this commitment is particularly critical when it comes to autonomous agents. The company must develop robust frameworks to ensure that its agents behave predictably and ethically, even in complex and unpredictable scenarios. 3. Infrastructure and resource constraints. Training and deploying autonomous AI agents require an unprecedented level of computational power and financial resources. OpenAI's existing models, such as GPT-4, already demand significant infrastructure, but autonomous agents take this to another level. They require real-time processing, continuous learning, and the ability to interact with physical environments, all of which increase costs exponentially. The sheer scale of resources needed to develop and maintain these systems is a significant barrier. OpenAI must balance the need for innovation with the practical constraints of budget and infrastructure, further complicating the development process. This challenge is compounded by the fact that autonomous agents must be tested extensively in real-world environments, which adds another layer of complexity and cost. Strategic challenges. 1. Market readiness. Even if OpenAI overcomes the technical hurdles, the question remains: are industries ready to adopt autonomous AI agents? Many businesses are hesitant to rely on unsupervised AI systems, fearing errors, misuse, or loss of control. For example, a company might be reluctant to deploy AI agents for customer service if there's a risk of the system providing incorrect or inappropriate responses. Similarly, industries like healthcare and finance, where errors can have severe consequences, may require extensive proof of reliability before embracing AI agents. OpenAI must not only develop capable systems, but also demonstrate their value and reliability to potential users. This requires extensive testing, validation, and collaboration with industry partners, a process that takes time and resources. 2. Regulatory concerns. The regulatory landscape for AI is evolving rapidly, with governments worldwide introducing frameworks to govern its development and deployment. OpenAI must navigate these regulations, which vary significantly across regions. For instance, the EU AI Act imposes strict requirements for high-risk AI systems, including transparency, accountability, and human oversight. In the US, AI risk management frameworks are being developed to ensure safe and ethical AI deployment. Compliance with these regulations adds another layer of complexity to the development process. OpenAI must invest time and resources in legal and ethical considerations, ensuring that its AI agents meet the highest standards of safety and accountability. This regulatory burden is likely to slow down the deployment of autonomous agents as the company works to align its systems with evolving legal requirements. Risks of delaying. 1. Competitors. Closing the gap. While OpenAI delays its AI agents, competitors like Google, Meta, and emerging startups are making significant strides in autonomous AI systems. For example, Google DeepMind has been advancing its robotics AI, developing systems that can learn and adapt in real-world environments. Similarly, companies like Tesla and Boston Dynamics are pushing the boundaries of autonomous robotics. If OpenAI takes too long, it risks losing its first-mover advantage and falling behind in the race to dominate the AI agent market. Competitors could capitalize on OpenAI's delays, launching their own systems and capturing market share before OpenAI has a chance to enter the fray. This would not only undermine OpenAI's position as a leader in AI innovation, but also limit its ability to shape the future of autonomous AI. 2. Public and investor expectations. OpenAI's delays also risk eroding public trust and investor confidence. The tech industry operates on hype cycles, and prolonged delays can lead to skepticism about the feasibility of OpenAI's vision. For instance, if competitors launch their AI agents first, OpenAI's reputation as a leader in AI innovation could be overshadowed. Investors too may grow impatient, questioning whether OpenAI can deliver on its ambitious promises. When will OpenAI agents launch? According to recent reports, OpenAI is prioritizing safety over speed, focusing on addressing the technical and ethical challenges before launching its AI agents. This cautious approach suggests that the company is unwilling to compromise on quality, even if it means delaying its release. To overcome the current bottlenecks, OpenAI must achieve several breakthroughs. While these challenges are significant, OpenAI's track record of innovation suggests it has the potential to overcome them. However, the timeline for launching AI agents remains uncertain as the company continues to grapple with the complexities of autonomy, safety, and regulation. While the delays are frustrating, they might ultimately be beneficial. By prioritizing ethical deployment and rigorous testing, OpenAI could set a gold standard for how autonomous AI systems are launched. This approach would not only ensure safer and more reliable AI agents, but also build trust with users and regulators. The wait might be long, but the payoff could be transformative. As OpenAI continues to navigate the challenges of developing AI agents, the world watches with bated breath, eager to see what the future holds for this groundbreaking technology. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.